are protecting the environment. We are saving energy. We power the world with energy. We take an innovative approach to sustainable development. We care about energy, but more about the environment and you. We, Suyan Valve, are committed to leading the valve industry and long-term development of the oil and natural gas energy industry. Founded in 1991, Jiangsu Suyan Valve Machinery Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise integrating scientific research and development, production and processing, and technical services. The company is known as a national specialized and innovation-driven giant enterprise that provides distinctive products or services, and an enterprise with considerable advantages in national intellectual property. Located in Binhai Economic Development Zone and Industrial Park, Jiangsu Province, Suyan Valve boasts a registered capital of 310 million yuan and total assets of 5 billion yuan, and covers an area of 80 hectares, including a building area of 320,000 square meters. The company has 1,300 employees, including 320 with a college degree or above, and 350 engineers and technicians. Under the leadership of Han Zhenghai, the chairman of the board of directors, Suyan Valve has undergone trials and hardship for over 30 years, showing full force and rapid growth. It strives to be a world-class consummate craftsman of the industry, creating numerous monumental work on the tide of the times. It functions as the aircraft carrier, converging top scientific and technological information, promoting the progress of the pump and valve industry, and conveys the rise of intelligent manufacturing in China to the world. Suyan Valve has been awarded the Chinese famous brand 4-star Digital Enterprise, Jiangsu Province Pilot Enterprise for the integration of industrialization and informatization, Jiangsu Province Quality Credit AAA Enterprise, Jiangsu Province Provincial Demonstration Labor Union Enterprise, Jiangsu Province Famous Trademark, and Jiangsu Province Exemplar. In addition, it possesses the honorary titles of a Sinopec Strategic Cooperation Supplier, an excellent valve supplier of Sinopec, PetroChina, CNOOC, Shenhua Group, Hualu Chemical, Luxi Chemical, Cambrod Petrochemicals, Ningxia Energy, Huaneng Power, etc., and the Forging and Casting Qualifications Audit Qualified Enterprise of Sinopec. Also, the qualified supplier of China National Nuclear Corporation. The company won the Deep Cooperation Award Valve category EPEC.com and the Enterprise Credit Rating of AAA. On the basis of mature industrial valve manufacturing and inspection, the company has learned from and taken in the advanced technology of the domestic and foreign industry and carried out technology research and development, cooperation and exchange in multiple channels. After more than 30 years of development and innovation, Suyan Valve has occupied an important place in China's valve industry, covers high-pressure valves, medium-pressure valves, and low-pressure valves, with a multi-product structure led by slab gate valve, ball valve, fully welded ball valve, globe valve, check valve, butterfly valve, control valve, blowdown valve, high-pressure oil and gas well valve, high-pressure water injection valve, Christmas tree, throttle kill manifold, flange, filter, elbow, castings, forgings, and forged pipe fittings, and provides a full range of industrial valve integrated solutions. Its product sales market covers all enterprises and sales boards upstream, midstream, and downstream of China's petroleum, including Sinopec, PetroChina, CNOOC, Hualu Chemical, Luxi Chemical, Cambrod Petrochemicals, Ningxia Energy, Huaneng Power, Yanchang Oil, Sinochem Group, Shenhua Group, Dachou Group, Xinta Energy, Zhejiang Petroleum and Chemical, Hengli Petrochemical, Shenghong Petrochemical, Yulong Petrochemical, Zhongtai Chemical and Wanhua Chemical, as well as electric power, chemical engineering, urban construction, water conservancy, and other industries. Its products are exported to and sold in the United States, Brazil, Germany, Italy, Argentina, Russia, Japan, South Korea, Kazakhstan, and other foreign markets. The company has complete production qualifications for factory quality system, national sales permission, supplier qualification, various product verification, etc., and has shown perfect capabilities of product verification. Among them, metal valves are granted the manufacturing license of A1, A2, and B grades for national special equipment, and forged pipe fittings and steel forged flanges are granted the manufacturing license for national special equipment. The company has successively acquired the certifications of ISO 38342 Fusion Welding System, ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System, HSE Health, Safety, and Environment Management System, and After Sales Service System. The API's American Petroleum Institute product certifications of API Q1, API 6A, API 6D, API 600, API 609, API 602, API 594, API 608, and API 5CT, and the API's fire resistance test certifications of API 6FA, API 607, and API 6FD. The EU's European Union CE certification, the API 624 type test, the ISO 15848-1 fugitive emissions test, and the ISO 10012 measurement management system certification. The company has a complete industrial chain, adopts advanced equipment for high precision and high efficiency production, and boasts more than 1,000 sets of advanced equipment, including complete sets of precision casting equipment, sand mold casting equipment, coated sand casting equipment, free forging equipment, hydraulic forging equipment, and heat treatment equipment. Germany DMG 5-axis horizontal machining center, the US Hardened vertical machining center, Japan Okuma gantry machining center, South Korea Doosan horizontal machining center, CNC computerized numerical control ball machining center, gantry machining center, CNC large vertical lathe, CNC lathe, spherical lathe, ordinary lathe, precision grinder, spherical grinder, automatic welding machine, plasma surfacing machine, supersonic spraying, welding robot, etc. In terms of the painting operating line, it has 4 sets of large baking finish houses, and it also has 4 intelligent 3-dimensional warehouses for finished and semi-finished products of 20,000 square meters. Suyan regards quality as the life of the enterprise. The company has set up a CNAS accredited laboratory, which has 520 full sets of detection and testing equipment, such as physical and chemical testing equipment, mechanical properties testing equipment, product pressure testing, type and R&D equipment, ultra-low temperature testing equipment, high temperature testing equipment, flow resistance testing equipment, fire resistance testing equipment, life testing equipment, non-destructive testing, trilinear coordinates measuring instrument, and the like. It has 1 house for linear accelerator flaw detection, 2 houses for cobalt-60 flaw detection, and 1 house for iridium-192 flaw detection. Its employees are fully qualified, with 10 having the UT, RT, PT, MT certificate of level 2, 40 certificates in total, and 2 having the UT, RT, PT, MT certificate of level 3, 8 certificates in total, which ensures our products operate in a variety of harsh environments and challenge the limits of precision industry. In the era of ceaseless global competition, innovation is the never-ending driving force for Suyan to maintain its value. As early as the beginning of the company, Suyan has been full of respect for science and technology. The company has set up a national postdoctoral research workstation, a provincial enterprise technology center, a provincial engineering research center, and a provincial postgraduate workstation. It has its own high middle level technology research and development personnel of 200, the annual expenditure for research and development exceeds 5% of the sales revenue in the same year. With the technical support provided by Northeast Petroleum University, Yangtze University, Yancheng Institute of Technology, Hefei General Machinery Research Institute, and Daqing Applied Technology Research Institute, it has developed more than 300 new products, including 65 national patents for invention and 5 international patents for invention of the manual hydraulic gate valve, the ball valve, etc. 310 patents for utility models are allowed for the fully welded ball valve, slab gate valve, balance gate valve, balance globe valve, and the like. 6 products, including the multifunction intelligent filter valve, have successively won the Gold Award of International Famous Brand Expo and the Gold Award of China Shanghai International Valve Expo. The parallel double gate valve has been granted in the China Spark Program and Torch Program, and an additional number of products have won the title of high-tech products of Jiangsu Province one after another. 8 new products of independently developed 48-inch 900-pound fully welded ball valve, 24-inch 900-pound control plate gate valve, 24-inch 900-pound throttling globe and venting valve, PFF 78-140 concealed rod manual plate valve for a wellhead, 56-inch 900-pound fully welded ball valve, PFF 180-140 ultra high pressure flat gate valve, 12-inch 1500-pound top-mounted ultra-low temperature ball valve, and 24-inch 150-pound LNG ultra-low temperature butterfly valve have passed the acceptance of nationalization, and 5 products including KQ78-140 gas extraction wellhead device, KY130 78-140 oil extraction wellhead device, and the like have passed the appraisal of new products and new technologies by Industry and Information Technology Department of Jiangsu. Under the background of Intelligent Manufacturing 4.0 and Dual Carbon Era, the company has invested in the construction of the largest intelligent factory in the valve industry and has established systems for product data management, advanced planning and production scheduling, enterprise resource management, production and manufacturing execution, warehousing management, and the like. The digital technology is deeply integrated into all aspects of enterprise production and operation, reshaping the form of traditional machinery manufacturing industry, embracing the grand route of carbon neutrality with digitalization, and accelerating new reform in the valve industry. For more than 3 decades, the company has actively participated in the drafting of standards, particularly in the drafting and revision of 43 standards, such as petroleum and natural gas industries, pipeline transportation systems, pipeline valves, and steel flat gate valves. Han Jianghai, our chairman, has been appointed as a member of the National Technical Committee on Valves of Standardization Administration of China and an expert in the Oil Production Equipment Standardization Work Department of the National Technical Committee on Injector for Oil Drilling and Extracting Equipment and Tools of Standardization Administration of China, and meanwhile has been awarded the Advanced Worker of Oil Drilling and Extracting Equipment Standardization and the first prize for Standard Innovation of the National Technical Committee on Injector for Oil Drilling and Extracting Equipment and Tools of Standardization Administration of China. At the same time, he has been elected as Vice Chairman of China General Machinery Industry Association, Vice Chairman of Valve Sub-Association of China General Machinery Industry Association, Chairman of Yancheng Petroleum Machinery Industry Association. Service is an extension of Suyan's quality, and the company has set up specialized service agencies in the major domestic sales outlets to provide technical services all year round. During the warranty period, where maintenance is required, the company promises to dispatch service engineers to the customer within 24 hours. Foreign dispatch service does not exceed 20 days. Domestic deployment of spare parts supply does not exceed 48 hours. And foreign deployment of spare parts supply does not exceed 20 days. Over the years, Suyan Valve's excellent product quality and thoughtful after-sales service have won the general praise from customers. As the Chinese line goes, a time will come to ride the wind and cleave the waves. Suyan Valve will set its cloud-white sail and cross the raving sea of the industry under the leadership of Sinopec, PetroChina, CNOOC, Hualu Chemical, Luxi Chemical, Cambrod Petrochemicals, Ningxia Energy, Huaneng Power, Yanchang Oil, Sinochem Group, Shenhua Group, Dachou Group, Xinta Energy, Zhejiang Petroleum and Chemical, Hengli Petrochemical, Shenghong Petrochemical, Yulong Petrochemical, Zhongtai Chemical and Wanhua Chemical in electric power, chemical engineering, urban construction, water conservancy, other industries, and with the cordial support of overseas users, Suyan, in line with the rhythm of reform, accompanied by the drums of the time, is taking on more glorious responsibilities to carve out more outstanding achievements, steadily moving forward to greater glory and passionately embracing a more brilliant future.